In this lecture, we'll see how to override Django's default template. So we'll see how to extend or inherit our base template, which is provided by default Django, which is provided by Django by default. So for that, let's just make some mistakes intentionally by going to the home and home1.html and refresh the page and go to that view. Okay, so template does not exist. So by default, Django looks in the URL. Just make a zoom to make you understand better, and just Django directory. Django will see Python 27, lib, site packages, contrib, admin, template, home1, contrib, auth, home1, crispy forms, which is a third-party app, and our applications templates home1. So this is shown by the Django because in the settings, settings.py, we have this true. If we make it false and save it, refresh it, after that Django will not show any directories. So what if we need to provide our custom directory list so that we can put our templates at any place? To do this, we need to define a dirs over here, our directories. So for that, let's just make a folder template over here, just in the library where our manage.py is. Just make a new folder, templates, and just make a file, just like make a new folder, just book, and in that book let's just make a new file, just save it, and book underscore detail.html. okay, so we have created our book.html. Just close this file again. Okay, fine, just copy this book.html and just paste it over here. Okay, so we need to define our own custom directory path. So for that, in the settings, you can define in many ways, but we'll use this way, which is provided by Django. So this is the path where the db.sqlite lives. So this is db.sqlite, this is the base dir. So instead of db.sqlite 3, we'll use templates. Okay, great. So now we'll use this as true. Just save it and let's just check it provides our path or not. This is library, and the fourth one is library, templates, home1.html. okay, great. So just save it and just close the settings and just use this code and just views.py and just make h1 tag, close the h1, and inherit override means you can override template. Okay, fine. So Django will show this template when we go to the view. Okay, fine. So for that, we need to provide a path of our template, just like in the templates book detail, just slash. Okay, just delete this file, just delete this folder as well, and create the file in here itself. So just save it and book underscore detail.html. okay, and just go to the book detail view and just not detail but okay, just copy this and paste the code over here. Okay, just save this and let's just close some not used stuff Okay, so in the book.html we are in the book, and templates, this is itself. Okay, fine. So let's just see which template is showing us. So just copy and paste this code over here and just override. Okay, fine. So just /book, close this, and okay. So home one is still not present, but we don't need this right now. Okay, great. Okay, /book detail is not present. So template, not /book detail, but it's book detail.html. Okay, great. So this is overridden. Great. So our overridden template is now calling, and it is not called. It's not calling the main book.html because we specified the directory in the settings.py. This is our base directory. So this is the first preference of the template. Okay, great. So we can inherit our templates of admin, and by going to the folder structure, just like let's make a mistake again. So we'll see this in a couple of videos maybe, and so this is how we can inherit our templates. Okay, fine, great. So if you have any doubt, let us know. Otherwise, keep going. We have seen how to override Django's default template. In next lecture, we'll see how to analyze any project or requirement of the project.